With cryptocurrency prices struggling a little bit today, we're seeing Shiba Inu Coin move a little lower, Bitcoin move a little lower, Ethereum, Pepe moving a little lower. But I love coming across articles like this. It says Shiba Inu Coin and Pepe struggle. Is Shiba Shootout ready to take over? And Shiba Shootout is one of the tokens that I've been talking about a lot recently, and you guys can actually earn a lot of money staking, but they've got that brand new game that they have already released, and that's what I really think a lot of people should be focusing on with Shiba Shootout, because everybody's already giving up. Nobody wants to play it, and they've got literally millions of dollars set aside to reward community members for playing that game. So we're going to talk a little bit about that game in this video, but we're going to be going over this article talking about Shiba Inu Coin, Pepe, and Shiba Shootout. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be talking about SHIB, Pepe, and Shiba Shootout, and this is the website here. If you click that link down in the description below, it's going to pull you up to this site, and it's very easy. You're simply going to click Connect Wallet if you guys decide you want to buy. I like to use Wallet Connect and scan this QR code. You guys can do it however you wish, and then simply determine how much you want to grab, but let's talk about some of the reasons why you might want to do that. This article goes on to say that after maintaining stable levels around 1,800 points per coin for weeks, Shiba Inu Coin has recently experienced rapid declines with several significant dips. Similarly, Pepe has dropped below the 1,200 point per coin level, though many market participants believe that it still has the potential to surge further. And the thing that I like about Pepe right now is that it is still doing near $1 billion a day in volume. That is a lot of money being traded in Pepe. However, the meme coin crypto era is far from over. 100% agree with that statement. And Shiba Shootout is now getting attention in the community with its exciting and innovative presale. This new play-to-earn game is set in the crypto Wild West and brings up a unique twist to meme coins, combining meme culture with Wild West themes. Yes, it does. Now, Shiba Inu Coin has faced a solid setback recently, and its value plummeted after a hacker infiltrated WazerX wallet, causing significant losses, around $100 million, not tokens, dollars. It was 5 trillion tokens. Around $100 million were lost, leading to a 3.3% decline over the last week. With Shiba Inu Coin trading around 1,700 points per coin, analysts are reviewing recent trends, and they predict further potential declines. Now, I'll be the first to admit, yes, Shiba Inu Coin could move lower, but if the overall cryptocurrency market starts or I guess continues to see an influx of confidence, we're likely to see that in Shiba Inu Coin as well. The most recent reason for the pullback in crypto is that the United States government, after not moving the $2 billion worth of Bitcoin that they have, decided to move it the moment that DT there, you guys know who I'm talking about, stated at the Nashville conference that the United States will be building a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Well, not if they sell all the Bitcoin we own first. So, yeah, government's acting a little weird right now. We don't know what they're doing, and it's pretty nonsensical. But that doesn't lend the idea that cryptocurrency is not going to flourish in the future. I believe towards the end of the year, we're going to see a very strong election. I believe towards the end of the year, we're going to see a very nice embracing of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. And when that happens, tiny little tokens like Shiba Shootout will see the largest gains, because of course they start with the lowest market caps, and therefore they have the potential for the largest percentage gains. So far, they have sold $853,000 worth in this presale, selling out a little slower than some of the other presales, but rising in price beautifully nonetheless. 1.97 cents per Shiba Shootout right now. It's almost 2 cents per token. There's 3 days and 17 hours left until the next price increase. Or, of course, if you get an influx of buyers, $1.5 million is going to result in the next price increase. So if you guys are interested in grabbing some, let's say you want 2 Ethereum worth. You're going to be walking away with 328,881 Shiba Shootout. You guys can go ahead and do the math on how much that's going to be when SHIB goes to 10 cents, 50 cents, or Shiba Inu Coin goes to, Shiba Inu Shootout, goes to 10 cents, 50 cents, and so on. But you need to check out these rewards. These cactus staking rewards at 1,121% right now, that's what's going to allow people to accumulate so much more absolutely free. Now, looking at those staking rewards, How that works is they're a dynamic rate. So the more people that stake, the lower your rate of return is going to be. The less people that stake, the higher your reward, because you split those rewards with less people. Guys, if you were to go out and buy 100,000 Shiba Shootout, and you 12x'd because you staked for a year, all of a sudden you've got 1.2 million Shiba Shootout, and you only bought 100,000. That's the power of staking. Now, I don't know what the price of Shiba Shootout is going to be a year from now, but I know that if you're able to 10x your holdings, right, the price could fall by 90% and you would still be at break even. Of course, if the price held steady and didn't move a dime, you guys would have 10 times the amount of money because you held 10 times the amount of Shiba Shootout. So going through, they are a meme coin, yes, but they have built a play-to-earn game. A play-to-earn game, guys, that you can already download on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. I don't have Apple. I do have a Samsung here. And you can install this game already. I want to show you what these people are saying about it, though, right? It's got 3.3 stars. Tried it. It's impossible. This guy gives it 1 star. You can't aim. Seems like a cover-up for the pre-sale team to make it look like a real token. Uh-oh, watch out. This guy doesn't know how to play the game. Takes a bit to get used to aiming and firing, but it's a pretty fun game. All right, so what happened here? This guy downloaded the game, tried one time, couldn't figure out how to play, gave up, called the whole thing a scam. This guy comes in and says, oh, okay, so it did take a little while to get used to playing it, but once I got used to playing it, it's actually pretty fun. What this tells me, right, is that people are not giving it a chance. And you should be very, very grateful for that. Why? Because if these people are unwilling to give it a chance, that means that you have that much more of an opportunity to make a ton of money. Look at the tokenomics breakdown, guys. There's 5% of the entire supply dedicated to the Rootin' Tootin' Shooter Fund. Now, I don't know how this is going to be distributed. I imagine it might be very similar to what Shiba Inu Coin does with some of their funds, and the ecosystem does with some of their funds for that for that card game that they've built. You know, they have little tournaments or whatever, and if you win a tournament, you walk away with a couple $100 and so on. I believe that Shiba Shootout could be gearing up to do something very similar to that. This Rootin' Tootin' Shooter Fund is set aside for the best of the best sharpshooters in their sharpshooter game. So 110 million tokens at about the current 2-cent price point. Guys, that's $2 million. Think about that. $2 million at the current price point that could be set aside for rewards for the 1,000 people that decided to download the game. And I'm sure, 95% of them have already given up based on those reviews and the fact that it's just too hard to play. Some guys will win. And I don't know if that's going to be you. I would love it if one of the bros got good at that game. I'm not good at games, so I hope you guys are. But if you are, man, I really hope you can win some of that money there. Posse Rewards, they've got a referral program. Campfire Stories, we're going to be communicating with community members. Governance Roundups, they're going to have you're going to be able to vote on the future of this token. Lucky Lasso lotteries, and of course the 1100% staking rewards. You've got the roadmap down here. They're growing out on social media as well. I'm very excited about Shiba Shootout, specifically because of the game that they are building and the opportunity that arises from that. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.